Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi A6. Let's begin by getting your Audi A6 ready to go. First, make sure the gear selector is in park or neutral. Then, with your foot firmly on the brake pedal, either insert the key and turn it, or simply press the engine start/stop button. You'll hear the engine come to life, ready for your journey. Now that the engine is running, it's time to select your gear. Move the gear selector to D for drive to go forward, or R for reverse to back up. Remember to release the electronic parking brake, usually by pressing a button. Then, gently press the accelerator pedal to smoothly begin your journey. Avoid sudden movements for a comfortable ride. The Audi A6 features an intuitive multimedia interface, or MMI, system. You can control various functions using the central rotary knob and surrounding buttons. This allows you to effortlessly manage navigation, adjust audio settings, and access vehicle information. Many common functions, like volume and phone calls, are also accessible directly from the steering wheel for convenience. When you've reached your destination, smoothly bring the Audi A6 to a complete stop using the brake pedal. Once stationary, shift the gear selector into the P for park position. Finally, engage the electronic parking brake to secure the vehicle. Then, simply press the engine start/stop button to turn off the engine, completing your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.